Sawadee-ka. Hi everyone. Today let's make fun finger food that is suitable for all ages. This is sausage wrapped in egg and cheese. Give this video a like, share and subscribe to show your support. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Let's take a look at the ingredients. I have butter. You can either use unsalted or salted, it's up to you. Cheese slices, chicken sausage, whisked egg yolk and whisked egg white. Our sausages are done and we're gonna take them out and let them rest. On low heat, we put our egg white in. Then we're just going to roll it like this. Next is your egg yolk. Once again, this has to be done on low heat. Place your cheese slice and sausage on top. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.